What's up guys, welcome back to Giselle's Kitchen, and today we're going to make a short video for a JV coffee. They sent us a coffee to do some short video, and we're gonna do it. And here's my husband. He is a coffee lover, and he can drink coffee 5 times a day. He really loves coffee. He can't wait to
I can hardly wait to try the JV iced coffee. I'm very excited for that. We're here on beautiful Georgian Bay in Ontario, and I'm excited to try our JV iced coffee.
And let's get started. We have our small cooler, and this is all our small cooler, and we have our coffee here. JV Microdose coffee concentrate, and 30 serving, 8 ounce to 36 ml, and let's make iced coffee. So we have here, we're gonna use a half and half organic, and we got water, and we got, for sure we have, I like my coffee with a whipped cream, so I have those. We have ice, and I like maple syrup in my coffee. We got milk, and one thing I like this coffee is you can carry everywhere you go. So if you go camping, you go boating, and there we have it. We have it in our cooler. Let's get started making our coffee. And this one, we have this a straw, and this is 2. We're gonna check it out. Coffee, JV Microdose coffee concentrate, 100% Arabica, artisan roasted, 30 serving in 1 bottle, 8 ounce to 36.59 ml, and this is it. So I can't wait to taste this. And actually, you can bring this, bring this everywhere. We are in the boat right now, and we feel like we want an iced coffee here. We don't need to go in the store, so we just have everything in our cooler. And now we're in the boat floating, so we're making our coffee. So let's get started, guys. So first, I'm gonna put ice. So there's the ice, and my husband wants to. So I make 2 coffee, 1 more ice.
That's fine.
Alright, and then we're gonna
Coffee.
no wait, we're gonna put our water. For sure we need water. Alright, now we're gonna put our milk. You want half or milk? Milk or half?
No, that's good.
Milk. So you can put anything you want in your coffee, guys, but I feel like I want milk. I want more milk. Forgot to bring a spoon, but I'm gonna just estimate how much I'm gonna put. What? Sure. So you can put 2 teaspoons. I don't have a teaspoon, but I just estimating it like that. Would you like some whipped cream? I like whipped cream in mine.
Sure.
Yeah, we can put some whipped cream. Ooh, look at that. It's so yummy. Whipped cream.
Wow. Looking very delicious.
Yeah, I love this one. Alright, that's enough.
Yes.
And now I like to put some maple syrup. Would you like some maple syrup?
Yes, please.
To make a little sweeter. Ooh, look at that! This is look like ice cream. Alright.
Is that organic maple syrup?
Oh, you're right. Everything is organic, same as milk. Would you like some half? No, forget it. So JV Coffee seen this one as well. I think this one, I have 2 pieces here. This one is a mixer, and this one is a straw. So, mixer. Let's mix first. Oh, look at that. Ooh. I would like to say thank you so much to Javy Coffee for sending us this, and let's have a try. Alright guys, we're done making our Javy coffee. Cheers! Oh, let's try this.
Thanks, Javy Coffee.
Wash my tongue out.
Oh my god, this coffee is so good and so tasty, and I like the smell, and
Doesn't taste that bad.
you can bring this anywhere you want to go. So I just put in the collar, hop in the boat, and here we have it. We have a delicious coffee in the boat.